Hey guys, so right now you guys, good morning guys, it's H-Though, what's up you guys? So right now you guys, I'm going to my sister's place again to do a bake day. We're going to try to do that once a month, no promises. I'm going to be stopping at some stuff, errands, to do some stuff, because I have lots of cakes I need to use up. So that's what I'm going to be doing, so I'll talk to you guys when we doing some errands before I do anything, so I'll talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so right now you guys are gonna do a little bit of shopping, so I'll talk to you guys when I do a little bit of shopping. So my sister and me tried to make cake and banana bread, but it didn't turn out. Here's a video of what it turned out like. Didn't really look good. We kept it in the oven for a long time, and for some reason the top cooked, but then when we got to the bottom, when we took it out of the pan, it was not even cooked. So it's like, okay, what's going on? We think her oven's broken, but we are not too sure. So right now I'm just firing up my old laptop to install some games on it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm firing up my old laptop. So hey guys, so right now you guys, I give up on cooking you guys, because I can't cook anything good, you guys. Yes, I give up on cooking, you guys. My sister and me give up on cooking pies and stuff because we can't cook anymore, you guys. It doesn't make sense at all. It did cook really good. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.